Hi, I'm Kirsty and today I've got a few tips from my new book, Planting with Nature, and how you can attract wildlife into your garden. Why not create a living lawn in your garden, just like this one? It is a lawn that you can picnic on, play on, walk on, but it is full of wildflowers and native species that are great for biodiversity. You can create a rain garden just like this one in your own garden. It will help prevent flooding and uses plants as a nature-based solution. A great sustainable gardening tip is to make your own compost. It will help feed your plants, suppress weeds and retain moisture in your soil. This is a marsh marigold and it is growing next to the pond. Now the number one thing you can do is put a pond in your garden. It's great for wildlife and attracting nature, and it doesn't need to be massive. You can even have a pond in a pot. A great activity to do with your kids is to create a bug hotel. This is really important for your garden ecosystem as it provides a place for those valuable bugs and invertebrates to live. Dead wood is really important as well, so try not to be too tidy and clear wood away. Leave a pile for them to live in. Why not create a nectar border in your garden, using plants that will flower throughout the year and provide that valuable pollen and nectar source for our pollinators that are in decline.